everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix PayPal two-factor authentication or SMS code not arriving. Check your phone number. Make sure the number linked to your PayPal account is correct and active. Check signal and network. Ensure you have a good mobile reception, or try switching to another network. And resend the code. Tap resend code in SMS in the PayPal app, or login page. Sometimes messages are delayed. This can refresh your mobile connection and allow the SMS. Privacy tip: never share your double factor authentication with anyone. It is the key to your PayPal account. Quick fix: if the code still does not arrive, use the Authenticator app option in the PayPal settings for two-factor authentication instead of SMS. Contact PayPal support to confirm your phone number and troubleshoot delivery issues. And that's it. Subscribe for more PayPal security.